Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to allow applications to have access to physical activity in our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To manually allow applications the access to our physical activity in our phone, we have to go to Settings first. Then we are looking for Security and Privacy option. And here under Privacy we have Permission Manager. And here we are looking for our physical activity. Right now, no application is allowed to use our physical activity functions on this phone, so let's add some. For example, Samsung Health, allow, SmartThings, allow, and as you can see, both applications now can access our physical activity on this phone. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.